Here's what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. While most investors were panicking over a 220-point Dow plunge today, smart money was quietly positioning for the biggest manufacturing shift in decades. The market chaos unfolded as fresh tariff measures took effect, sending shockwaves through trading floors nationwide. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of the biggest winners emerged from the very sectors everyone expected to get crushed. Today's trading battlefield, winners and losers emerge from tariff turmoil. Apple became the day's unlikely champion, defying all market logic by surging 3.2% higher for its second consecutive day of gains. Why? The tech giant just dropped a bombshell announcement that has Wall Street buzzing and competitors scrambling. Trump's latest policy revelation sent ripples through Silicon Valley. Companies can completely sidestep those punishing 100% chip tariffs, but only if they're willing to make a massive bet on American manufacturing. Apple didn't just take the bait. They went all in with an eye-popping additional $100 billion commitment to domestic production. But wait, this is the part most people are missing entirely. While mainstream media focuses on Apple's headline-grabbing move, semiconductor powerhouses TSMC and Broadcom were quietly celebrating their own victories. These chip-making titans saw their stock prices climb as investors suddenly realized that Trump's tariff strategy might actually favor companies with deep pockets and long-term vision. The real kicker? Apple's manufacturing push created unexpected opportunities for companies most people have never heard of. Precision glass manufacturer Corning and rare earth mining specialist MP Materials both experienced significant stock price jumps after Apple announced strategic partnerships with these lesser-known players. Here's what's really fascinating about today's market action. We're witnessing the early stages of what could be the most dramatic reshuffling of global manufacturing since the Industrial Revolution. Companies are essentially being forced to choose sides, bet big on American production, or face crippling tariffs. And this raises some uncomfortable questions that nobody in Washington wants to address. Are we creating a two-tier system where only mega corporations with unlimited resources can compete? What happens to smaller companies that can't afford $100 billion manufacturing commitments? The market's reaction today suggests investors are betting that this tariff strategy will ultimately benefit established players while potentially crushing smaller competitors. But is this the kind of capitalism we really want? What do you think? Is Trump's manufacturing-focused tariff approach genius economic policy that will restore American industrial dominance? Or are we creating an unfair advantage system that only helps the biggest corporations get bigger? The comment section is yours. Let's hear whether you're buying into this manufacturing revolution, or if you think we're heading for economic disaster.